Hello everyone, this is Group 6 and andito kami, nag-travel pa lang kami papunta ng Las Piñas. Sumakay kami ng Bikutan, papunta ng Alabang, papunta ng Zapote at papunta ng Las Piñas. At ang una naming pupuntahan ngayon ay ang Bamboo Organ Church.
With the word of command, with the voice of
Around 8 a.m. kami pumunta ng Bamboo Organ Church nung linggo.
from heaven,
And
and the dead
nakapag-video naman kami sa loob no, ng kaso nga lang, hindi kami nakapasok entirely doon sa may loob kasi kailangan ng reservation 5 days prior doon sa schedule na pupuntahan mo. Kaya ayun, buti nakapag-video kami sa loob nung Bamboo Organ Church na yun kahit na kaunti lang.
I believe that the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. Jesus told his disciples this parable. The kingdom of heaven will be like 10 virgins. They took their lamps and went out to meet the bridegroom. Five of them were foolish, and 5 were wise. The foolish ones were taking their lamps, brought oil with them. But the wise brought not the oil in their lamps. Since the bridegroom was going away, they all become lost.
After namin sa may Bamboo Organ Church, dumiretso na rin kami sa may SM South Mall, Las Piñas, para pumunta sa may Bounce Philippines. Ngunit nung pumunta kami doon, nagtanong kami sa guard kung available pa bang Bounce Philippines. Ang kaso, wala na raw noon pa yung Bounce Philippines. Kaya napag-desisyon na lang namin pumunta sa may Troll House, dun sa may South Mall. And wala rin masyadong pupuntahan dun, kaya pumunta na lang kami ng arcade para man lang may magawa kami. Hopefully next time, kapag pupunta kami ng Las Piñas ay may iba na kaming pupuntahan. At kapag pupunta na kami doon ay nakapag-reserve na at may mga matututunan kami. At sa huli naman ay nakapaghanap kami ng specialty ng Las Piñas, which is ang bibingkanitan, na kung saan ay kinakain ng aking mga kagrupo.
Magsalita ka kasi. Sarap. What's the feeling, sir?
Tamis. Tamis naman.
Mag-like ka, mag-like.